Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about convection oven motor for TriStar part number 340115. Convection oven motor for TriStar part number 340115 is used to replace a faulty or broken convection oven motor. It can fix symptoms such as the oven not heating up, the fan not spinning, or the oven not working at all. This part fixes the following symptoms. 1. Begin by unplugging the power cord from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the oven door to the oven frame. 3. Carefully remove the oven door and set aside. 4. Remove the screws that secure the motor to the oven frame and carefully remove it from its mounting bracket. 5. Install the new motor in place of the old one, making sure to align it with its mounting bracket and secure it with screws. 6. Reattach the oven door and secure it with screws. 7. Plug in the power cord and test your new motor for proper operation before using. Here is how you install this part. A convection oven motor for TriStar part number 340115 is a motor designed to power a convection oven. This type of motor is typically used in commercial kitchens and restaurants to provide even heat distribution throughout the oven cavity. The motor is designed to be used with TriStar's TriStar convection ovens, which are designed to provide consistent, even heat distribution throughout the oven cavity. The motor is capable of producing up to 1/2 horsepower and has a voltage rating of 115 volts. It also features an adjustable speed control, allowing users to. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.